Self-Representation by Crystal Smith. What did you think of yourself in the past? If you look back at an image of yourself, did you think, wow, I was so happy? Or, wow, I was such a typical girl. I was a princess. I was a flower girl. Really pretty one at that. But were you really representing yourself? Or were you representing how your family represented you? But what do you think of yourself now? Did you know that you controlled your own image? Like in this picture, I'm standing behind a BMW. I could sell that BMW. I look great in front of it. I look like a successful black woman with red hair. But if you look closely at those keys, that is a Chevy keys. That is not my car. This is just an image that I wanted you to see. This isn't what it really is. But what do you see in this image? Do you still see that educated black woman in the past image in front of the BMW? Or do you A, see an educated black woman at Torney Park taking a silly picture? Or B, do you see a ratchet girl throwing up gang signs? Or C, did you form your own opinion from this picture? My own opinion would have been that this might have been the picture a newscaster would use instead of the amazing photos on my social media due to controlling images when a young black woman ended up on the news. Most of the time, it's not the best picture. But what about your self confidence? Are you representing your self confidence? Are you only representing your self confidence through picture? You can represent your self confidence through a handshake, your walk, your smile, just by greeting someone. I'm not sure if my self confidence was shown in this picture, but it was shown in plenty of pictures growing up. I I never thought I had a big bad picture, honestly. But in representing myself, do I really know who I am? Who am I? Well, I'm a young, beautiful black woman who believes in myself. I represent myself as a feminist because I can. I represent myself as a daughter. I represent myself as a Christian. I represent myself as a family oriented individual. That is how I represent myself. Through my own images, I was able to show you just how I chose to represent myself. However, being a young black woman, there are some social justice that I need to stand up for. And so, to you lovely women out there, you show young women what they are capable of. Stand up for what you believe in, even if you believe that Wendy's should sell spicy chicken nuggets, or if you believe that Black Lives Matter. It's stand up. Prove stereotypes wrong. I proved a stereotype wrong just from going to college and making this beautiful presentation in the most elegant way ever. Stand up. Represent yourself, no matter how people may judge you.